everyone, my name is Miss Esther and welcome to Miss Esther's Fun Online Learning. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Our lesson for today is all about the blending of phase 1 sounds. Let's get started. At, at, at. It, it. S, a, t, s, a, t, sat, sat. S, I, t, s, I, t, sit, sit. P, a, n, p, an, pan, pan. P, I, n, p, in, pin, pin. T, a, p, t, app, tap, tap. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you'll be updated for my upcoming videos. Bye everyone. Stay safe. God bless you.